of August 2020, a big explosion shook the area of Lebanon, the area where, where many people were living. There were thousands of. The explosion was so big that it was the most biggest non-nuclear the biggest non-nuclear explosion ever in history. It beat the explosion that happened in France during World War One. This explosion was so big it shook the entire country of Lebanon. And there were, according to Wikipedia, 216 people dead and thousands injured. This is the story of the Beirut explosion. 2020, there was within a factory in Lebanon, and with thousands of pounds and kilograms of ammunition nitrate, it exploded during it. And this is the footage that was caught during in the explosion. See it for yourself. Viewer discretion is advised.
In video from the day of the blast, you can see white flashes, what appear to be fireworks, going off before the massive explosion. A former port worker told the Guardian newspaper he warned for years it was a disaster waiting to happen and says nothing was done.
The fine footage that I showed you, it was footage from a person who put their camera down in order to see it. It was due to the fireworks within the factory which caused the explosion. 7,000, and according to Wikipedia, I learned that 216 people were killed and 7,000 people were injured, of course. This was the biggest non-nuclear explosion in human history. We beat it out the explosion back, a really big explosion that shook the entire country of France back in World War II. It broke that record. And according to many trusted sources, this in photos, it seemed to cause a whole crater within the area, which was within a factory. And as the footage that I showed you, it seems you could see the fireworks within the distance blowing up, as in the footage. Yeah. And also the source was on the top, so yeah. Anyways, this is Diane, your host, and goodbye.